Good day. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good day, sir. I am Marisa Philip Bingay, 40 years old, married. I have 3 kids. Age is 15 years old, 14 years old, and 12 years old. I have 2 sons and 1 daughter. I have 4 brothers and 4 sisters. I am third child in family. Living at Edilio Cebu, Nueva Vizcaya. I am college graduate in Associate in Hospitality Management, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Yes, sir. I have work experience in Hong Kong in Hong Kong 6 years with 2 employers. My first employer is there are 3 members of the family. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, bring the kids to the school, and pick up the kids to the school, sir. And my second employer is there are 5 family members of the family. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, ironing, bring the kids to the school, and pick up the kids to the school, and bring the kids to the playground and play with them, sir.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
In my previous employer, sir, I always securing the safety of the children, and I check the temperature of the child, and if the child is sick, I will call my employer, sir.
How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and patient, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad for my family and finance, and for my 3 kids' future.
Okay. If you get hired, you will take care of your children.
My husband, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I focus on my work, and I always remind myself that I need this job, sir.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at the night after my work at 10 p.m. and wake up at 6 p.m., sir.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I always come to dealing with them, sir.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid and set by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to get banned in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, sir. I can cook Chinese food like steamed minced pork, steamed chicken, and fried vegetables, and pork stew, and chicken stew, sir. And I can also make soup.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. I can sing a song like "The wheel of the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel of the bus go round and round, round and round to the town."
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir and ma'am. Please hire me as your domestic helper. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities, and I promise to follow your rules and regulations in your house. Thank you.